We all remember the horrors of Bucha. It is estimated that more than 20,000 civilians.
Presiden Komisi Eropa Ursula von der Leyen mengatakan bahwa invasi Rusia ke Ukraina membawa kematian, kehancuran, dan penderitaan yang tak terhitung dan diperkirakan lebih dari 20.000 warga sipil dan 100.000 tentara Ukraina telah tewas di Ukraina hingga saat ini. Anehnya, data itu langsung dihapus atau disensor. Hal itu disampaikan dalam pidatonya untuk rencana penyitaan aset Rusia yang dibekukan dan pembentukan pengadilan khusus untuk menghukum Rusia atas kejahatan agresi terhadap Ukraina pada 30 November 2022 kemarin. Namun kemudian teks pernyataan von der Leyen di situs web Komisi Eropa telah diedit dan diterbitkan tanpa data korban, baik di antara warga sipil maupun militer. Akun Twitter resmi Ursula von der Leyen menghapus versi video banding sebelumnya dan menerbitkan yang sudah diedit, juga tanpa menyebutkan kerugiannya. Komisi Eropa belum memberikan penjelasan apapun atas langkah ini.
Russia's invasion of Ukraine has brought death, devastation, and unspeakable suffering. We all remember the horrors of Bucha. It is estimated that more than 20,000 civilians and more than 100,000 Ukrainian military officers have been killed so far. Russia must pay for its horrific crimes, including for its crime of aggression against a sovereign state. And this is why, while continuing to support the International Criminal Court, we are proposing to set up a specialized court backed by the United Nations to investigate and prosecute Russia's crime of aggression. We are ready to start working with the international community to get the broadest international support possible for this specialized court. Russia must also pay financially for the devastation that it caused. The damage suffered by Ukraine is estimated at 600 billion euros. Russia and its oligarchs have to compensate Ukraine for the damage and cover the costs for rebuilding the country. And we have the means to make Russia pay. We have blocked 300 billion euros of the Russian central bank reserves, and we have frozen 19 billion euros of Russian oligarchs' money. In the short term, we could create, with our partners, a structure to manage these funds and invest them. We would then use the proceeds for Ukraine. And once the sanctions are lifted, these funds should be used so that Russia pays full compensation for the damages caused to Ukraine. We will work on an international agreement with our partners to make this possible. And together we can find legal ways.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.